So question 10 is actually the start now of the higher tier paper, but obviously the second half of the intermediate paper. And the question reads, Maya either walks, cycles, travels by car or travels by bus to work each day. Her method of travel each day is independent of her method of travel on any other day. The table below shows the probability of 3 of her methods of travel on any random day. So yeah, the table shows 3 probabilities, and we don't have the 4th. So we know the probability of going by bike, by car, and by bus. We don't know the probability of Maya walking to work. So the question is, calculate the probability on any random day she walks to work. And probability adds up to 1. So that's the key here, that's the tip here. Probability adds up to 1. So all 4 have to add up to 1. And so we add them all up at the moment. We've got 0.45 plus 0.1 plus 0.25. And if we add all those up together, do it here, 0.45, 0.1, 0.25. We've got to line the decimal points up, and that's an error that a few students made in the mock, where they considered this to be 0.01 instead of 0.1. So we line them all up with the units and the tenths and the hundredths and the decimal point. We're going to get 5 add 5, 0 add 5 is 10, so 0 down carry 1. 4 add 1 is 5, add 2 is 7, add 2 is, add the extra 1 is 8. So it's going to be 0.8. So these 3 add up to 0.8. The probability adds up to 1. So that means this has to be the remainder from 0.8 when making this way up to 1. So that's going to be 1 take away 0.8 or 0.80. So we just do 1.0 take away 0.8. We have to borrow, that's going to be 0.2. So this here is 1 minus, I'll do the workings out here so you can see it properly, 0.2 or 0.20, I'll just put 0.2 as the answer. And that's question A. Now question B is, what's the probability on any random day, any random chosen day she either travelled to work by car or, I'm going to circle that way because that's important, or by bus. And our probability, or, means plus. Okay, so we plus the 2 probabilities together. So the probability she travels to work by car, which is 0.1, or, which is plus, by bus, that is 0.25. And if you add that together through the column method, you should get 0.35. Now this last question, on question 10, what's the probability that in any randomly chosen week Maya travelled to work by car on Monday and by bus on Tuesday? Well, I said earlier that the method of travel each day is independent, okay? But the key here is the word and. Okay, if you can find a sentence to word it with and, okay, that means you multiply. And means times. Okay, so in probability, if you see the word and, you times in probability. So we've got by car on the one day, so that's by car is 0.1, and by bus, so that's times probability of bus 0.25. Okay, and then we go work that out. Now I know in this question I've got 3 numbers after decimal place, 1, 2, 3. So my answer is going to be 0.123. I've got 3 numbers here. 1 times 25 is 25. So my answer is going to be 0. And then 25 is going to have to be somewhere. So it's going to be 25. And there's an extra space here, and that's going to be 0. So the answer is 0.025. And that's question C.